Yes, I think synchronicity relates especially to the field of positive psychology. Positive psychology has a PERMA model, 5 dimensions that are important for well-being: positive affect, engagement, relationships, meaning, and achievement. And I think that when we experience synchronicity, often it is a joyous experience, so it helps with positive affect. It can often strengthen our sense of engagement in our roles because there's this feeling of affirmation we're on the right track. It helps with our relationships because it can enhance the sense of connection between us. It helps us draw on a sense of meaning in our lives. And when we feel affirmed, it can help our achievement. So even though I don't necessarily directly bring up synchronicity myself with my clients, I find that often they will bring up a kind of remarkable coincidence and then we'll relate it to these themes of a PERMA model, but also we'll look at how it helps tap into our intuition, to look at what it might mean, and also it helps tap into a spiritual dimension in life. So I have those kind of conversations with my clients.